Hey guys, welcome back. This is Radhika Polarit from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn about in keyword in Python. So here, let's make a new file, tu25.py. Okay. Now here, we will write if statement. If d n Adrika. Okay. Print present. Else print not present. Okay. So now, what is it doing here? It is checking whether D, the letter D, is present in Adrika or not. If letter D is present in Adrika, the condition will be true and it will execute this code. Else, if D is not present in Adrika, the condition will get false. Okay? And if the condition will be false, it will execute the part of code which is inside else. Okay? So if we will run it, you can see that it is printing present. As you can see that D is present in Adrika. Okay. Now if I write here Y, see it is writing not present because we cannot see any Y in our string, right? So that's why it is writing not present. So Y in keyword is used here to check whether this string is present in this string or not. If I write here IK, see it is present. IK is present. But if I write here IA, see not present because IA isn't present there. Yeah, there is I and A, but there isn't IA as a whole substring inside this string. That's why it is returning not present. Okay. So in keyword is basically used to check whether a substring is present in a string or not. Not only in strings, we can use it in lists, tuples, and many other data types. We can also use it in loops. Okay, we will talk about that in my later videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.